Hi, good morning. Richard Borston here out in Crossville, Tennessee. Although I'd say we're in the range, close to Clark Range, Tennessee, up on the beautiful Cumberland Plateau. And we are working on this driveway that needs just some basic TLC. You can see obviously the grass that's growing here. What you may not be able to see as well from that shot is the grass is mounding, which is very typical. The nice thing about it is it's going to be a very simple solution. We already got a ditch here. I'm always looking for where I can put the water. So it's pitching this way already. We're just going to help it along, and then we're just going to open up this area out here near the house. I'll show you that in a minute. But hey, we don't want to miss Joey over here using the grading blade and getting it done. So you can see it's real helpful to have the right tools. That's the first pass. Not bad. Okay, so we also got this area in here that we're gonna get graded out, and then we're gonna get all this fixed up. So hang out with us and we'll show you how we do it. Explain a little about what we're doing here. So the reason why Joey is angling it this way, and you saw right there that the material is getting shoved uphill, is because what we're doing is we're trying to build up this side so that we'll get that pitch going. And then Joey's got an inclinometer inside the machine that's built into the software, and it gives him readings on what this pitch is here. Also, we'll tell him the roll, but it'll give him the pitch, so that, and what we're targeting is around 4%. We don't always hit it exactly on the button, and it doesn't have to be, but that's where we're shooting. We do try not to exceed it. Devin's desperately trying to get out of the shot. He hates getting videoed. So you can see after a couple passes here, we've already got this way cleaned up. You can see clearly where the water's going to go. It's going to flow from here into this ditch. We make it a mindless effort for for the water, which is what we like. So you might be wondering, hey, I thought you just said Joey was putting all the stuff over here. Why is he now grading over here? And what's going on here is that he's just picking up this windrow that he laid over here, and it's just picking it up and getting it leveled out some, so that we still have a little raking to do. You can see what's left in here, but it's a lot less than what we needed before, and he'll pick up some more of that. So that's what's going on. So what happened right in there is that, rightfully so, he's just being careful, because there's these lines that are coming right across in here, and so none of us want him picking up a power line, so he had to drop down and come back up. But you can see here, we got a good spread. He does a great job for us. We appreciate him. And Joey will come in, he'll fix this up, and we'll be ready for the next load. We have the last load of gravel brought in. Joey is spreading it out. We've got this wire right here, and so he couldn't spread all the way, but you can see the great job he did before that, and then he had to stop. The joy of overhead wires. Devin's putting the finishing touches here. And here you go. This is what it looks like when we're done. Sure appreciate you joining us today. It's a beautiful day. I hope where you are and when you're watching this, it's a beautiful day for you. And I appreciate you spending time with us. God bless. Have a great rest of your day.